This is Jai with AirPower Manufacturing Solutions. And did you know that if you need replacement tools, filters, spare parts, or really any of the thousands of products that we offer, there are 3 easy ways to shop with us. Number 1, reach out to your AirPower account manager by phone or email. They'd be happy to place your order and get it on the way to you as soon as possible. Number 2, call one of our AirPower customer service representatives. They are all standing by and ready to take down your order. It's easy. Just call 1-800-334-1001. Number 3, the AirPower web store is online and open for business 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. It's easier than ever to shop online with shop.airpower-usa.com. If you know the part number for the item you'd like to buy, just type it into the search bar at the top of the website. Click enter and it'll take you to your product page. Now, just tell us how many you want, add it to your cart, go to the top of the website and look for the place your order button. Now all you have to do is log in, pay with your credit card, and we'll get it shipped out to you as soon as possible. It's just that easy at shop.airpower-usa.com.